wrong, it's about to rain.
Oh no, it's raining already.
Open your umbrella.
We can't. Look, in strong winds like this, the umbrella could easily blow away or turn inside out. Plus, it blocks our view, which is super dangerous.
So what should we do? We're going to get completely soaked.
Aha! Look over there, there's a shelter. Let's head over there to take cover.
Make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our latest videos.